GW Long Farms, Bainbridge, Georgia. Steers 8-1A, 8-1B. One A will be a load around 8:25 at delivery. 1B will be a load of steers at 6:90. Delivery date will be around September the 2nd through 6th. GW Long, Bainbridge, Georgia. GW Long Farms, Bainbridge, Georgia. Steers 8-1A, 8-1B. GW Long Farms, Jerry Long and Sons. Been in the safe sale for several years. Cattle sired by Angus bulls. GW Long Farms, Bainbridge, steers. Jerry's been using Finks bulls for several years. 3/4 brothers. A lot of uniformity. Really a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers. This year the Angus bulls used, green tags are 878s, yellow tags K205s, white tags out of Objective Sons, and the orange tags out of Predestined Sons. Cattle have always been on the higher end of the quality as far as choice grade. Been feeding with Decatur County. They were running around 62% choice. Now the cattle are running around 87 to 92% choice. Really a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers, sired by Angus bulls, out of Angus and semi-Angus cross cows. Sherry's been saving a lot of the Angus sired females. To me, the cattle don't have as much of an exotic look as they've had in years past. And the cattle are a lot more docile. GW Long Farms, Bainbridge, Georgia. Steers 8-1A, 8-1B. GW Long Farms, Bainbridge, Georgia. 8-1A, be one load around 8 1/4.
Oh, mile half or Fleetwood's half?
8-1B, be one load around 690. GW Long Farms, Bainbridge, Georgia. 8-1A, be a load around 8 1/4. 8-1B, one load around 690. September the 2nd through 6th delivery. Again, really a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers, sired by Angus bulls out of commercial Angus and semi-Angus cows. Most of them be black and black white face, just a few grays. GW Long Farms, Bainbridge, Georgia. GW Long Farms, Heifers, 8-2A. Be one load of heifers around 640 at delivery. September the 2nd through 6th. GW Long Farms, Bainbridge, Georgia. GW Long Farms, Bainbridge, Heifers, 8-2A. Be one load around 640. calf sired by Angus bulls out of Angus and semi-Angus cross cows. Jerry's been working with Galen Finks for several years, playing matings of 3/4 brothers. Really a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame heifers, real uniform. This year the Angus sires are as follows. Green tags are 878 Sons, yellow tag K205, white tags Objective, and orange tags Predestined. GW Long Farms Bainbridge Heifers 8-2A. One load, base will be around 6:40 September the 2nd through 6 delivery. GW Long Farms, Jerry Long and Sons, Bainbridge, Georgia, 8-2A. Really nice load of #1 muscle, medium and large frame heifers, sired by Angus bulls out of Angus and semi-Angus cross cows. Just a few grays, the rest are black and black white face. GW Long Farms, Bainbridge, 8-2A.